Hello everyone. I just kind of wanted to share what I think is a really good deal at the Home Depot right now. I don't know how long it's going to last, but basically, um, they have on sale the 18 volt One Plus cordless tool kit. It's a 6 tools combo kit. Now this is not a brushless combo kit or any of that, and I'm not even going to get into different tool types. But if you're looking for cordless tools and you're a DIYer, right? You use these things sometimes hardly at all. This is a really good offer. And it's a combination of two offers I'll tell you about. Now, if you're a contractor and you use your tools every day, all day, then you probably should get contractor grade equipment. But for the rest of us, I don't know that we need to have that sort of expense because even adding extra tools can be expensive. So they have this offer out there right now where you can get this 6 tool combo kit for $199. It's normally $300, which in and of itself I believe is a great deal, and I bought it myself. So the other part is if you combine this with this deal. Oops, sorry about that. This is a Ryobi starter kit. So this is the One Plus lithium ion starter kit, and it comes with two 4 amp hour batteries. Now the 4 amp hour batteries will last longer and they have more power. That's basically the difference between a 4 amp and maybe a 2 amp hour. So it comes with those two batteries, which you're going to want to have extra batteries if you're out doing something, just so you can just swap one out real quick. And it comes with a fast charger, so that's great. 99 bucks. My Makita tools, one battery costs you that much money. So you combine that. Well, this starter kit actually comes with um, the ability to pick another tool. So you go here. No, that's the wrong one. Um, it comes with, let me find it. This row is registering my, here it is. So when you buy that starter kit, you can pick one of these tools for free. So pick a tool that's not in the combo kit I was talking about earlier, and you get one of these for free. So what you end up getting total, right, is 7 tools, 4 batteries, and 2 chargers. So if you go back to the original one, this one was originally $399, or I'm sorry, $300, right? So you're saving $100. If you apply that savings to the starter kit I showed you with the 2 extra batteries, and you get the free tool, then you actually end up with 7 tools, 2 chargers, 4 batteries, 3 of which are 4 amp hour batteries. So you end up paying $300 and you get all those tools. I just wanted to share this. I'm not speaking for Ryobi. You may like their tools, maybe you don't, or maybe it's Ryobi. I don't even know how to pronounce it. I just thought the deal was good, and if you're someone who uses these tools, sometimes it's a pretty good deal. You can't. I don't think you can go wrong here, and there's like a 3-year warranty and all that stuff. But anyway, just wanted to share that.